Elfista. Today I am going to talk about is coronavirus helping the environment. All should have a question, how the coronavirus helping the environment? You all know it causes numerous death and affects many people. But meanwhile, it also helping the environment is the truth. Let's see how it helps. Now, we see what is coronavirus and its structure. COVID-19 is a pandemic disease caused by coronavirus. It was first spotted in Wuhan, China. It spreads all over the world. Based on its phylogenetic relationship and genomic structure, the COVID-19 belongs to genera Beta coronavirus. COVID-19 is containing single-stranded RNA associated with the nucleoprotein within a capsule composed of matrix protein. It will affect the throat, lungs, respiration of human body. It causes numerous high risk and death toll. In this slide, we just see about corona. Now, we get into our topic. The positive effects on our environment due to corona. Positive effects on atmosphere. As a result of lockdown due to corona, there is a great change in the nitrogen dioxide emission. Scientists in China discovered some of their skies were clear. They saw their air pollution level dropped considerably over a month's time. All this due to complete shutdown of many industries like coal-fired factories, etc., and also by vehicles. We know the danger of air pollution that will cause many diseases such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, lung cancer, etc. But now, the CO2 emission was decreased by an average of 40% over Chinese cities and 20 to 38% over Western Europe and USA during the 2020 lockdown as compared to the same time in 2019. In 2018, a report by WHO, that is World Health Organization, revealed that 93% of all the children under the age of 15 are breathing toxic and polluted air. NASA observed a drop in pollution level over China, India and Italy. It was a massive decrease in pollution. The picture shows the CO2 emission rate dropped considerably during this lockdown in China and India. Now we just see some of the comparative pictures regarding air pollution. These were the picture of India's capital city Delhi before and after lockdown. In the first image is India Gate in 2019 and 2020. This comparison shows during lockdown the air pollution level started to drop. The next picture is also our capital city, which seen shadowed in thick smog at 2018, and now that is 2020 appear much brighter and clearer. This is Jakarta, a city in Indonesia. The picture of 2019 can be seen sky covered with smog, and the same view is much clearer in 2020. We all know what are all the diseases caused by air pollution. I already told. And also there were many people lose their lives in that several diseases. Now, the researchers feel that the coronavirus lockdown can save more lives who are affected by pollution than those who are treated by contracting COVID-19. According to WHO, 7 million people across the world lose their lives due to pollution. As a result of COVID-19, there is a very good change in the atmosphere pollution and the air quality is increasing. In those slides, we can see the positive effects or changes that occur in our atmosphere during this lockdown time. Now we see about clearer water, cleaner air. Now we look upon our waterways. It appears to be clear. This picture shows one of the most popular and crowded spot in Mumbai, that is Juhu Beach, with thousands clustering the space and littering the beach. But now there were no one there to cluster and litter the beach due to shutdown. Now people can finally see what the beautiful place looks. This is well-known Yamuna River. On 2018, it was filled with toxic foams, but the 2020 image shows the dramatic improvement in water quality. This all are due to the complete shutdown of factories so that the wastewater are not emitted into the rivers, and also by people they won't throw plastic bags and unwanted things into the beach or any waterways. People and vehicle free roads. The roads are now free due to ban on the vehicle transport. This leads to drop in CO2 emission, and also the accident have reduced by 10% in India, so that we have been able to save 10,000 lives. Yes, now we see, is nature reclaiming the earth? The whole world is under risk, but this was a moment of happiness. It was a feeling that nature transforming itself. For centuries, humans have pushed wildlife into smaller and smaller corners of the planet. Yes, due to deforestation, we just convert the forest areas into plots so that we let the wild animals to small corners in the planet. But now, with billions in isolation, city streets were emptied, nature is pushing back. The picture shows the wild deer had desiccated onto the streets. This is an interesting picture. In 2019, people just visit the zoo where the animals were kept in cages. But now we are all in lockdown and stay within our home. Now the animals came to the roadsides and visit us. This picture shows the olive riddle turtles which are now came to the land for laying eggs in Odisha beach. And the another picture shows the mountain lion which sleeps in a tree, Boulder, Colo, that is Colorado in USA. The mountain goats roams the streets of Llandudno, Wales last month. The goats, which lives on a rocky great home, are occasional visitors to the seaside town, but a councillor told the BBC the herd is now drawn by the lack of people and tourists. Next, we all know Venice. In this place, boats were known as the taxis because the city's roadway are canals. Now, the canals are free from boats and the swans and dolphins enjoys the free canal. In Chicago, rockhopper penguins without the Homo sapiens, the residents got to tour the place and catch up with their neighbors. This incident was so nice about those cute penguins. The pigeons were free in the roadside in masses, enjoy the peace. The bitter truth is, without people, the animal enjoying their lives. Social distancing. One of the most important thing that have to follow in this situation is social distancing. As cinemas, schools, restaurants and other public places have been shut down due to corona. Many people are working from home. Traffic has reduced on the ever busy Delhi roads resulting to low pollution. Nowadays, people follow social distancing. They wear masks, the people's hygiene is improved. Whatever be the drawbacks, coronavirus healing our earth to its originality. The poster represents what are all the necessary situations to go out. We can go out to get foodstuffs and for emergency situations. Only go to work when it is necessary. No more than two peoples in one place. Wash our hands often. An important thing is to stay home. Do not pay visit even to friends, relatives and close friends' house. Yes, thus non-existing traffic on road, a slowdown in the release of waste into the air and ocean by large-scale industry and no clustering on the beaches, nature has finally able to catch up its breath. I conclude that whatever may be the drawback caused by coronavirus, it gives fresh breath, clean water, peaceful nature for those lockdown days is the truth. This is all due to people lockdown and factories shut down. While we are panicking about COVID-19, Mother Heart is healing. So, hope to make the green earth after the lockdown also. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.